Okay, Tanika, where did your inspiration come from to make cupcakes, to decorate cupcakes?
I learned it from Food Network.
And that's my favorite channel. I watch that show every day. You like to watch Cupcake Wars?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a cool show.
Some people drop the cupcake.
I think I can do a better job than those people on Cupcake Wars. I think you can do a better job than the people on Cupcake Wars. This is Danika's creation. You know, you should have put sprinkles on it. She's going to get the sprinkles for the cupcake.
I heard somebody.
That was Philip.
Oh.
They went.
Where they go? Should we do it?
Okay.
Where they go?
Now we got cupcakes with sprinkles. Okay, what's the famous word? Bon appetit.
Are you hungry? Some